You're trying to play videos on YouTube, but YouTube is not giving you any sound. You're just playing videos and it is kind of mute, and you're not sure where to unmute that, then this tutorial is for you. So if you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, we will fix this problem. So here we will go to the Google first, and here you have opened your YouTube and you're trying to play and it's not giving you any sound. So for that, at the very top here, just do a right click and see if it's giving you an option to mute or unmute. So if it's mute, then you can simply unmute it and you will be able to hear the sound. And one more thing, while playing the tutorial, while playing the videos, see the mark here as well. If you have a video like this, you just need to
then click on this up arrow key.
Because if it is unchecked, if there is a line in it, you need to click on that and it will be unmuted. The third is see if the drag, this button should be at the right hand side. So in left side it will be slower and at the right side it will be louder. So you can also try that and see the speaker icon here at the bottom right corner. Click on that and see if that slider is at the right side. You can also do a right click on that icon and open volume mixer and see if your sound is at 100% or the desired percentage. So here the volume is 100%. We can have a look, and you can also do a right click again and you can open the sound settings. And here as well you will see the sound things here and check which all volume is muted, unmute everything and see if that works for you. If you still have issues, then I would recommend to do a right click on that sound icon and you can click on troubleshoot sound problems. So in this manner, you will be able to fix this problem. The YouTube, if it's not playing sound, no audio on YouTube, and we will also go to this Edge and see if that works for us. Now let's go to Microsoft Edge and here just do a right click on that YouTube and see if it's mute or unmute. If it is muted, then just do a right click and unmute tab. So in this manner, you will be able to do the sound. You'll be able to hear the sound. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.